Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited LT, stock number Z7431X. 25,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Malibu brand new, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Malibu is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box, manual inside, overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 202 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7431X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.